Hey, Jer here, and in this video, guys, I have something really awesome to show you guys, which is gonna blow your mind. I'm super excited about this because in a few minutes of work, I'm able to create this product here, and this product is now ready to sell. Okay, and then you can do the same using this method, which is really, really powerful. And now I learned this method from my good friend Alessandro from his um product, which is the Public Domain Empire. And in just a few minutes of work, guys, I'm able to produce this high quality product that I can proud of. I can sell this product in the marketplace, and I'm going to show you guys how you can do the same without product creation, without you having to create product from scratch, without worrying about content copyright. Basically, this is your shortcut if you wanted to create product, you wanted to sell digital assets or products that you want, and this works in any niche. Okay, and the best part, you don't need to worry about copyright, guys. This method is absolutely insane, powerful stuff. All right, now, just like I said, in a few minutes of work, I'm able to create this product. I'm show you exactly how to do this. Okay, let me. All right, guys, so this right here is the ebook, which is again created by my friend Alessandro. Now, inside of this ebook, guys, is an unlimited source of public domain platform, which you can use, guys, to access to an unlimited amount of assets. Okay, or unlimited amount of assets that you can freely, okay, monetize. Okay, you can monetize in different sources, and inside of this ebook, guys, he's gonna show you not just one, not just two, 10 different method, okay, 10 different ways of monetizing public domain assets, which is really powerful. Now, I show you an example a while ago. Let me show you that one. Okay, now if you guys don't know what is public domain, now I actually asked ChatGPT. Let me show you that one. So I asked ChatGPT to define public domain. So ChatGPT says public domain works can be freely used, modified, distribute, and republished by anyone for any purpose. Okay, and that's exactly what you can learn inside of this 100-page ebook worth of, you know, unlimited amount of content and resources, guys. Okay, which is awesome. Now, the one that I showed you a while ago is this product here, which is this 100 pet SBG. Now, I use one of the source here. Let me show you that source. Okay, let me browse that source. So this source right here, so this is just one of the source. You'll be getting hundreds of sources inside here that you can freely monetize. Okay, so let me open this one. So this is the source, the SBG source that I'm talking about right here. So what I just did, guys, is I just searched for a specific niche or for a specific SBG that I can sell. For example, I wanted to sell a pet SBG. What I can do is I can search on pet. Okay, and this will provide me a list of SBGs or pet SBGs right here that you can, you know, download and sell. Okay, which is really powerful. Okay, all you have to do is to download this as an SBG or PNG. You can also sell different variation, like for example SBG or PNG images. So what you can do is you would download this and create a package. Like for example, this one is 100 pet SBG package. So what I just did is I download those images into my computer. Now it's being downloaded right here. What's really cool about SBG, guys, is that you can change the color of this SBG. Let me show you an example of that. If I would upload that into Figma, let me go to download, and then I think this is the SBG here. Okay, so this is the SBG. So what I can do, guys, is I can change the color of this into red or yellow, right? I can change the color of this, guys. Okay, That's the power of SVG, and this is how powerful public domain is. Okay, I easily created this, product markup inside of Click Designs, which is really powerful. And now I can, I'm now ready to sell this. I can sell this in different platform like Etsy. Okay, I can go to Etsy or Amazon. I can list a product here, and then I can sell that package. Awesome, right? I can, and this will give you like passive income. If you make sales, you can sell this for like, $10 or $20, or like, $5, because this is a digital asset. You will never run out of stacks, because people can download this over and over again, which is awesome, right? You can also sell this in JBZoo or Wireplus. It doesn't really matter where platform you wanted to sell those, but this method is really powerful. Okay, so that's exactly what you can get inside of the public domain empire. Okay, so again, this is 100 pages source of unlimited amount of media assets and content that you can monetize. And again, Alessandro is gonna be showing you guys again, not just 10 different method, 10 different ways of monetizing those content. Like for example, the number one method is this printable package, and he's gonna provide you guys some template. Let me show you an example of the template. So for example, this is a Canva template, by the way. This is another Canva template. Let me open this one here. All right, so this is an example of that template. Okay, again, Alexandra is gonna be showing you guys 10 different method of monetizing this public domain assets, which is really awesome. Okay, so yeah, if you decide to purchase the public domain Empire 6 through the link down in the description of this video, I'm giving away guys awesome bonuses, which is gonna show you, which is gonna help you guys out a lot. All right, so my bonus number one is my latest product, guys. I'm actually in the process of creating this, guys, this product, which is the Canva masterclass. So this is the members area right here. This is a high quality product, guys, that I created from scratch. Okay, and no one has ever access into this product yet, because I'm planning to launch this product. So I'm giving away this for free as part of my bonus. All right, so that is my bonus number one. My bonus number two is my second product, which is gonna be launching this coming 21st of November, which is local video matic. Okay, this is a done for you solution, guys. It's gonna allow you to kickstart an online income without any technical skills, experience, or knowledge. Okay, this is a done for you solution. Okay, my bonus number three is my first ever product, which is video vertical. So this is gonna show you how to create pro quality short and vertical videos that will help you drive free traffic. My next bonus for you guys is 30,000 done for you content that you can monetize and make money. You can get traffic out of this done for you content, guys, and promote your product or services. And then next bonus is my cash cow video secret. So this is gonna show you how to create cash cow video without ever having to show your face in front of the camera. Okay, and then my last bonus for you guys is I'm gonna give away a software, which is this software here, this Click Designs. I'm gonna give away this software, that way you can create this cover. I'm also gonna be showing you guys, I'm gonna be providing you a tutorial on how to create this product cover, and how you can create your own product, okay, using the public domain empire. Okay, which is really awesome. All right, so those are my bonuses. Again, if you decide to purchase the public domain empire through the link down in the description of this video. Alright guys, so that's it for this video, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye. Love you.